Hello, I'm Eileen and this is Ali and we're from A.Vogel.
And today we're going to talk about sleep here in the beautiful A.Vogel Herbal Medicinal Gardens.
Sleep is essential for our health, and Alfred Vogel, the famous Swiss naturopath, actually said that sleep is the one remedy that we cannot do without.
But we know that lots of people find it really difficult to get a good night's sleep, and then they're tired and irritable and find it hard to concentrate during the day.
And we have to remember that it's not just the length of time you're asleep, but the quality of your sleep as well.
So what can we do to help people ensure that they have a better chance of a good night's sleep?
Cutting out caffeine from the afternoon onwards is really important.
And also making sure that you haven't got lots of electronic gadgets in your bedroom or playing on the computer or on an iPad or laptop before you're going to bed.
And many people actually find that going for a gentle 10-minute walk in the early evening can be really beneficial as well.
But obviously these lifestyle changes, they're excellent, but they do take time to implement. So luckily there are other things that people can do that can help very quickly to make a difference to their sleep.
And herbal remedies can be absolutely wonderful, and the great thing is that they can be used night after night or just as and when you need them.
One of the most popular herbs for sleeping is hops. And it's the fruit of the hops plant that we use. Sedative herbs are often best used together, so we often mix things like hops with valerian, and it's the root of the valerian plant that we use because when you use it fresh you get all these wonderful essential oils that are really effective for helping people to sleep better.
And we have Dormeasan, which is grown on the A.Vogel farms, and this is a combination of the herbs of both valerian and hops.
And one of the best things about using this remedy is that it's non-habit forming, so your body doesn't become dependent upon it. It really takes the stress out of sleeping.
Yes.